Hello all, welcome to the VMS class. In this program, we are going to generate Fibonacci series using any loop. It can be a for loop or it can be a while loop. But in this program, I am going to show you a for loop, how we can display the Fibonacci series. What is the meaning of a Fibonacci series? It will start basically with numbers 0 and 1. Okay, so it will start with 0 and 1. Now, each new number, it is going to calculated as the sum of these two numbers. The sum of these two numbers is 1. So then what about the next number? The sum of the previous two numbers, 1 plus 1, 2. The sum of these two numbers, 1 plus 2, 3. The sum of these two numbers, 5. The sum of these two numbers, 8. So each new number is calculated as the sum of previous two numbers, and this loop is going to continue until how many number of terms you want to print. For example, I want to print 3, 4, 5, 6 terms, then it should print 6 terms of Fibonacci series. If I ask 7 terms, then it should print till 8. How many number of terms you want to print? And if you see this, I am going to write a very simple logic. There will be multiple logics for this, multiple ways people can write this logic. But this program is especially I am writing for the extreme beginners so that you can understand this program in the easiest way. Okay, so try to understand here. I am going to store this first two numbers. Okay, it is going to start with 0 and 1, right? So here A is 0 and B is 1. Now I am going to print these numbers, print of A so that it will print 0, and print of B, it will print the value 1. So now we got the first two terms, right? We got the first two terms. Now the remaining terms we have to iterate using the loop, right? For example, I am going to repeat for I in range of n minus 2. The reason I am going to take n minus 2 here, already the first two terms you have printed, right? So now I want to print from third term, right? So the third term can be, you can have the logic here, how we are going to get this third value, right? So we are going to get this by using the C equal to A plus B, right? So C equal to A plus B, I am going to write here, C equal to A plus B. Now I got the value of C, right? Now what I can do here, I am trying to print the C value. So it means 0 plus 1, the next term you are going to get is 1. Okay, so try to understand here the logic. Now initially this is A and B. Now what happens here? Now we got the C also, right? So now this case, okay, C is 1 and B is 1 here. Now I want to take the value of B to A, the value of C to B. So if you do that, then it is just going to have the same process. What I am going to do, so B value will become A, so that A equal to B. So B value becomes A now. And C value will become, okay, C value will become B. Okay, now I got A, B again. So what is the next term? C is A plus B, I am going to print C. So this is a very simplest logic. First I am doing here, C is A plus B, then B becomes A, C becomes B. So that again C will be calculated as A plus B. So very simplest logic that we can use for printing the Fibonacci series. Okay, so let's write the program here. Go to the IDLE, take a new file. I'm giving a comment, program to print the Fibonacci series of n terms. Here I'm going to take the n value from the user. Okay, n equal to int of input of enter the number of terms you want. Okay, I want to print the number of terms of Fibonacci series. Now you know that the first value a is assigned to 0, b is assigned to 1. Okay, now I am going to print a message here, Fibonacci series. Okay, now first I have to print what is the a value, first term, what is the b value, second term. Okay, 0 and 1 is printed. Now I am going to take a loop for I in range of n minus 2. You know that what is the reason for taking n minus 2? Okay, I am printing already a and b here, so exclude these terms here. Okay, now c equal to a plus b. So now I am going to calculate this sum. Okay, I am going to calculate the sum. I am printing the c. So 0 plus 1. Okay, 1 and print 1. Okay, 1 will be printed over here. Now after that, what happens? Okay, b value comes to a and then c value comes to b. Right. So b value comes to a, c value comes to b. Now again, this loop will be reiterated. Then c is a plus b. Okay. So very simple logic to find the Fibonacci series of n terms. Okay. Let me write the program here. Program 17.py. Okay, let's execute the program. I want 6 terms. Okay, I want 6 terms. You see that the first 6 terms I am getting. If I want the 7 terms, okay, let's re-execute this program so that you will get the 7 terms here. That includes the 8 also. You see that 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 8, 3 plus 5, 8. And next number is 8 plus 5. Okay, 8 plus 5. It's 13. Okay, let's execute this. 8 number of terms I want here. 8. Okay, you see that 8 plus 5, 13. So very simple logic to print the Fibonacci series. Even you can use this using the functions as well as recursive functions as well. Okay, but logic is same. You can use this for printing the Fibonacci series. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for getting more updates on computer education. Thank you.